And now we're gonna continue with the JSON web token. So we are gonna go into the .env file, and the server is already running. We have MongoDB here. Okay, this is okay, that's fine. And here we're gonna have our key. Okay, so we're gonna have our, let me see, it's gonna be the JSON web token, and this is gonna be secret. Okay, so, and pretty much you set it equal, and then whatever is gonna be your MongoDB key, your JSON web token secret. Okay, in this case we can put it Bcryptjs 1 2 3 4 5 like that. We can put it like that, and that's gonna be our JSON web token secret. Okay, and let me see, that's fine. We're gonna validate it here. Okay, so let me see, this is running, and we are in the post method users login. So I log in as the Bcryptjs with the bcryptjs@gmail.com. Okay, so in this one I have another one. So this is math bcryptjs@gmail. So I have two. Okay, so if we have users, I have the bcryptjs@gmail, and then the math bcryptjs. Okay, so we have that. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so we added a new environment variable. So every time we do that, we need to restart the server. So npm run server, and let me see. So if we go into the user controllers, this is where we are working. So register and the login. So we already finished, well, kind of finished both of them, but we're gonna be continue adding stuff here. So we are gonna go into the data display, and we're gonna go below here, and here is where we are gonna be generating the token, or the JWT token. Okay, so we can put in okay, so it's gonna be generate JWT, and let me see. So we're gonna have a variable, it's gonna be generate token, that's fine, and we're gonna have the user ID that is gonna be this ID. So we can put it like that. So const, the variable name is gonna be generate token, and we're gonna set it to an error function. Okay, so here is gonna take the user ID. Okay, it's gonna be taking the user ID. Let me see, and here we're gonna have we're gonna open curly braces, and we're gonna return the JWT, and the JWT has the method sign. Okay, so we are gonna open curly braces, and we're gonna pass in the ID. Let me see, we're gonna pass in the ID, and as well as the first argument is gonna be the ID inside of curly braces. Then we're gonna have the process that env that JWT underscore secret as the second argument, and as a third argument we're gonna have, but let me see, make sure that you whatever you name it here, JWT or whatever, the same thing you have to put it in the user controller right here. Okay, so far we have, let me see, let me put it like that. So we have so far we have two arguments right now, the JWT, the ID, and we are gonna have in the process that env that JSON web token. Okay, we're gonna open curly braces, and we are gonna set it to expiration 30 day. Let me see. So if we go to the JSON web token, we have JSON and true, issue at. Okay, so yeah, the expiration is gonna be, you can put it, I don't know, days, hours. We're gonna put it at 30 days. Okay, so let me see. Okay, so we have the ID, we have the process that expires in 30 days. Yeah, that's fine. So let me see, process.env that jwt underscore secret. That's fine. Yeah, that's fine so far. Okay, so we're gonna assign a new token with the user ID, and this is gonna expire in 30 days, or you can change it. So now we need to go into the register, and let me see, let me save it. We don't need to Control T. We don't need to restart the server, because we only restart the server when we mess up here in the environment variable. So if we go into the user controller, we're gonna grab the ID, the name, and also the password. Okay, so we're gonna grab these three: ID, name, and the but let me see, we're gonna also pass in the token, and here, yeah, we're gonna set it to the variable generate token, and inside of the parentheses we're gonna pass the user that underscore ID. Save it, and we put a comma after that. So generate token, and then we're gonna pass in the user that underscore ID, the user that we register. Okay, let me see. Okay, so then it's gonna be set into this into the JSON web token sign in. So here we also need into the login, so we're gonna have pretty much the same thing. So login user, and we're gonna have in the token generate token user underscore ID. And let me see, save it. Let's close this one, and we can try it. Okay, so we can go to Postman, and let me see. So I'm already logging as Bcryptjs1234, and let me see, let's send it. Yeah, as you can see now, in addition, let me put it like that. No. Okay, so I'm gonna put it like that. So in addition to the ID, the name, and the email, now we have a token. So we have this token for, okay, so for the user Bcryptjs@gmail.com. Okay, so if we send it again, oops, yeah, it has a different, a different token. Okay, let me see, if we go into the users, let me see, we have the password created, that object, email, password created, that's fine. But if we go here and signature verify, so we're gonna copy this token, and we can pretty much paste it here. And let me see what happened here. No, let me paste it, copy it, and let me paste it right here. Let me see. Okay, so now it works. And let me delete this, close this one. And as you can see, we have the ID that is going to be 68C659. And if we go right here, and let me see. Okay, so we are using the Bcryptjs that email that is going to be the 68C65. Let me see, it was 65.9. Okay, so expiration, yeah, that's fine. This is the expiration time in seconds. Yeah, and this is the issue at. Okay, so it's gonna be 30 days for now, it's gonna expire. So secret signature. Okay. Let me log in as this one. So email and password. So I'm gonna log in. Make sure that you are in the localhost 5000 API/user/login, and this is a post method. We are in the URL encoded. In the body you have the email and the password, and these are checks. Okay, so now I'm gonna log in with mathbcryptjs@gmail, and this is the password. So let's see if I can log in. And as you can see, now we have the ID, let me move this one up. So ID, name, email, and token. Okay, so I'm gonna grab this token, and now we're gonna see this ID, and this ID belongs to the math Bcryptjs. Okay, so we're gonna go right here, delete it, or yeah, pasted the new token. So this token belongs to the algorithm JW token, but this token belongs to the ID 68CA48. So and this one is gonna be the 68CA48, so it belongs to the math Bcryptjs. So these are different users. So this is the math Bcryptjs@gmail, and the other one was it was what was the other? Let me see. The other one was Bcryptjs, Bcryptjs@gmail. So this is a different user. Okay, so we are able to log in with a JSON web token. Okay.